was searching through the shadows, trying to find a way, carrying my broken dreams with every passing day.
Then I heard your gentle calling, like a river flowing free. You opened up the heavens and showed your love to me.
I was tired, I was lonely, lost inside my pain, but your hands reached out to save me and washed away my rain.
You are my hope when I am falling. You are my strength when I am weak.
Your love is always surrounding. Your voice is all I need. Amazing love, you hold my heart. You were with me from the start. When the world was turning cold, you gave me a hand to hold.
Jesus, you are my shining light. You guide me through the darkest night. I will sing your name above forever in your amazing love.
Every morning brings a blessing. Every breath becomes a prayer. I can feel your holy presence. I know you are always there.
When the road is full of questions, when my faith begins to shake,
You remind me of your promise that you never will forsake.
lift my voice, I will praise you. With my soul, I will adore.
Your grace has changed my story. Now I'm free forevermore.
Angels sing around the heavens. All creation calls your name.
Your love remains forever, yesterday and still the same. Amazing love, you hold my heart. You were with me from the start. When the world was turning cold, you gave me a hand to hold.
Jesus, you are my shining light. You guide me through the darkest night. I will sing your name above forever in your amazing
where you lead me. I will trust you all my days, with a heart full of worship